In this chapter, we will explore the fundamental skills that you must acquire to create basic presentations within the PowerPoint program. You will learn to create new presentations, open previously created presentations, save presentation changes, and then close those presentations. This particular lesson will acquaint you with the process of opening a presentation. To open a presentation, you must first know where the presentation you want to open is located. This location could be within a folder on your computer, a network folder, a CD-ROM, or perhaps located on some other type of removable media. Once you know where the file is located, you can open it by using the Open dialog box. You can access this dialog box by first clicking the File tab within the ribbon. Then, navigate to the Open Command button. In this Open dialog box that appears, you can navigate to the location of the presentation you want to open. To open a file from the location that you've selected, you can click the icon for the file that you want to open, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternately, you could also just double-click the icon of the file shown in the Open dialog box in order to open the file. You can also use this dialog box to simultaneously open multiple presentations from the same location. To do this, follow the steps above and get to the Open dialog box. This time, when selecting the files from the listing shown in this box, click on the first file that you want to open. If the other files you want to open are not next to each other or non-adjacent, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each other file that you want to open. If the files are adjacent and next to each other, hold down the Shift key and then click the last file in the list. Everything between the two will be selected. Once you have selected your files, release any keyboard keys that you are holding down and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. This will open all of the highlighted or selected presentations. Also notice that if you're simply trying to open a recently accessed presentation, you can click the File tab in the ribbon and then click the Recent command. You can then click on the name of the recently opened file that appears in the listing in the center of the Backstage view.